Good evening and welcome to the Weather Center. Here on our latest satellite picture, we are seeing storm clouds that popped up this afternoon over the central and southeastern parts of the country. We also have cloud drifting from Namibia into the northern parts of the Northern Cape. At the same time, we stayed with a few patches of cloud over the northeast and clear skies across southwestern South Africa. Now, for your Friday evening, it's going to stay rather stormy for the Northern Cape as well as the central and southeastern parts of the country, including the northern parts of the Eastern Cape and western KwaZulu-Natal. We are going to see a bit of drizzle over the Mpumalanga and Limpopo escarpments. It's going to stay fine for southwestern South Africa, but storm clouds will start to push down the west coast as we head towards midnight. Then on Saturday, we are going to see unsettled weather starting early across the western and southern parts of South Africa. It's going to be partly cloudy and dry for the northeastern areas. And for those who are taking part in the Cape Cycle Tour, we have that cold front which is set to hit the southwest coastline on Sunday night. In the meantime, here's a look at the chance of rainfall for your Friday night. We are expecting up to a 40% chance of thunderstorms where you see this blue shading, and where you see the lighter shading, just a 20% chance of thunder showers is forecast, and that includes light rain and drizzle around the Wild Coast, as well as the drizzle forecast for the Mpumalanga and Limpopo escarpments. Here's a look at your minimums overnight. It's going to be rather mild for the eastern sections. Johannesburg dropping to 15, 17 in Pretoria and Polokwane. Warm along the east coast with minimums in the lower 20s for most places. Cape Town will also have minimums around 20 degrees. It's going to be rather warm for much of the western and northern Cape. Appington dropping to 24, 22 in Springbok as well as Kimberley. A low temperature of 18 is forecast for Bloemfontein. It's going to be sizzling hot across the Park of South Africa on Saturday afternoon. Look at Graafrenet making it to 40 degrees, 39 for Bishop, highs in the lower 30s for Port Elizabeth and East London. Similar temperatures around Durban, but it's going to be hot for Richards Bay. We are expecting a hot one across Gauteng with temperatures in the lower to mid 30s. Appington makes it to 39 degrees, a high of 30 is forecast for Cape Town. And here's looking ahead to your Sunday. Light rain is forecast in the evening along the southwest coastline, and we're expecting thunder showers for the southern parts of the country, mostly sunny and hot for eastern South Africa. Then we start the coming week with light rain in the morning for Cape Town, George and Port Elizabeth, and thunder showers are forecast for the western and southern parts of the country. That's it from the Weather Center for now. Enjoy the rest of your evening.